Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to install the latest version of MikTeX, the version 24.1 for 54 bits Windows. So that is quite easy. You first need to come to mytech.org and then click on downloads. In here are different options available, which operating system you are using on your computer, Windows, Mac, Linux, Docker, or whatever it may be. So I'm using Windows, and therefore I select Windows, and then again there is another set of tabs, and I would just come to installer. And an installer, this is the file name basic MikTeX 24.1 for 64 windows.exe, and I need to download this. I click on download, and now I have downloaded the MikTeX, basic MikTeX. I want to go to this folder where I saved it and want to run it. So I come here, and here this is basic MikTeX 24.1.exe file. So I double click this exe file, and this window pops up, and here I need to check I accept my text, copying conditions, and then click on next. And here two options are available, whether you want to install this for one user or for any user of the computer. I generally install for this one, so this message comes in and you need to click OK, and then I click next. And this is the directory where your MikTeX be installed. It is C program files, so I want to keep it here. And if you want to change, you can change this by browsing this, but I don't want to change this, so I keep this by the default directory, and then I click next. And if you want to change the paper size, you can change it from here. By default it is taking A4, and there is another option later, so I leave this on A4. And this is another message: when some packages be installed, the MikTeX will ask you. However, you can change this to yes, no, or ask me. So these are the three options available here. I keep this ask me first, and then I click next. And now the only option here is to start. So I start, and then I click yes, and the installer executes installation. We need to wait for a little time because this bar would reach over here, so it is taking a little longer, and therefore I stop the video and will restart once the installation is complete. So now the installation is complete, but one thing more I want to tell you: it has been installed. Installation directory is this one, program C, and then there is package repositories that is at this position. Okay, you need to note this. Package with C user shan1 app data local temporary this, and visiting repositories are at this position, right? So these are the different repository that one usually need, but I click next, and the next will complete the installation. Check for updates now. Yeah, this is a good idea. I would like to check for updates and click this on. However, you can do that from the console as well. You can go to console and can let me do that from there, so that you can check this from time to time. And now I come to start new search bar, and I write MikTeX console, so it is here on the top. I click on it. I switch to MikTeX administrator. I click on this. I click yes. I click for check updates. Right, and now it is going for checking for updates. And here you see checking for updates. Okay, and here it gives the message there are updates available. You can view the updates on the update page. So I click on update page, and I come here check for updates, or I click to update now. I click on this, and here are 122 updates. So it will now update, and it would definitely taking longer as I guess, because there are too many updates. So I leave this for a while, and so I stop the video and will come back once the update is completed. We are almost done. I still need to wait. Update in progress. And here this completes the installation process. Thanks for watching.